This is vocabulary list 47. This is just a few signs that are based on classifiers. So if you remember, a classifier is a hand shape that refers to a class of things that is used as a pronoun. So it can represent whatever you decide it to be. So since you learned about classifiers a while ago, you have probably noticed that there are many signs that are based on classifiers. They're derived from classifiers. So let me give you a few examples. There's sit, which is derived from a classifier because this represents legs, right? And then stand, same thing. This represents legs, so that's a sign derived from a classifier. And door, because a B handshake for a classifier is a flat surface, so door. You are probably going to notice a lot more signs that are based on classifiers as you continue to learn signs, but here are a few that we are going to focus on now. So we're starting with a sign for popular. So a 1 hand shape on your non-dominant hand, a 5 hand shape on your dominant hand, and then just sort of tapping here. So you can see how this could be based on a classifier, right? How this sign came from classifiers. This is one person. This is a whole bunch of people. Flocks. A bunch of people flock to you. You're popular. Popular. Then next sign is the sign for bug or ant. You want a 3 hand shape, bend your fingers, and put your thumb on your nose, and you're going to just wiggle those 2 fingers. Now, can you see why that sign is based on a classifier? So the sign for ears that are animal ears are based on a classifier as well. You want 2 B hand shapes, and of course they look like ears. They're kind of that shape. It depends on which animal, of course, that you're talking about. Some animal ears might look like this, right? But the general sign for ears for animal is this. Then the sign for jump, if you're talking about people, is jump. But in this vocabulary list, we are talking about animals jumping. So you actually want both hands to have that bent V hand shape, right? Jump, jump, jump. Now, if something is like a dog is jumping on me, I can do it this way. So it can be a directional sign as well. The sign for sit next to is based on classifiers as well. Again, you want 2 bent V hand shapes. And remember, we had like one person sitting. If you're sitting next to someone, you just put both of those hands together. And then a winding road. So you're going to use a B hand shape for this. So these are just a few signs that are derived from classifiers. Vocabulary list 47.